Hello students, good morning. This is our first lesson of social science. So, before I start lesson 1, I want to introduce our index of social science semester 1. Okay. See students, come on the page where index given. Here you can see we have total 9 lesson. We have total 9 lesson for semester 1. Okay. And see, note is given on the bottom of this page. You can see, okay, clearly. Here the information is given that brown color for history, green color for geography, and blue color for civics. Okay students, today we are going to start our first lesson. Our first lesson. Okay, which is of history part, okay, and which given on page number 1 of your textbook. Okay, so let's start our lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, page number 1, and its name is Arrival of European in India. See students, in this lesson you will learn about the history of European, that how they arrived in India and how they started to rule in India. Okay, now see in textbook and try to understand. First paragraph, we have learned in the previous standards that many years ago our country was one of the leading country in the world. Our country was distinct in the whole world. The people of the various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. Many people worldwide were eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth out of it. Now see students, I will explain this. You know very well, many years ago, our country was one of the famous special country in the world. Okay, India was called as the सोने की चिड़िया. सुना है आप लोगों ने? India was called as the सोने की चिड़िया. Lots people of other country were being very affected by our heritage, culture, and as well as our prosperity, and also very curious to start trading with our country and willing to earn wealth from India. Okay students, understood? Now see students, next paragraph. Earlier, the merchants from the various countries came to India from northwest by land routes for the purpose of trading. For years, the Arab traders undertook trade through land route, but as the situation changed, trades through land route stopped. Consequently, the demand for Indian commodities like a silk, cotton cloths, muslins, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. To take the advantage of this situation, many countries of Europe started for a sea route to India. In this paragraph, we can see firstly, some merchants, means some traders, came to India for the intention of trading by land route. Which route? They use land route to arrive India. from northwest direction. Okay, long time Arab traders use this land route. Okay, long times for a long years, but circumstances changes and trade by land routes also stopped. In that time, our Indian commodities, okay, our Indian commodities means things, were very famous in various countries. Demand of Indian commodities like the silk, cotton cloths, muslin, muslin means what? मलमल का कपड़ा बोलते हैं ना वो, black pepper and other spices etc. increased in the European countries. Many countries of Europe continents wanted to took advantage of this situation, and for this they start to searching for a new sea route to arrive to India. See students, here you can see in your textbook page number 1 the mention mark of sea route by using dashes. Okay, see students, you have to observe this map oftenly. Okay, and here we stop our content of today. Students, read this page carefully and write hard words. Write hard words, and this is your HW. Okay, students, goodbye.